So is there an easier way? Is there a better solution than having multiple hitches take up half the floor space in your truck? There is, and we've got it. It's the Rough Country 2-inch Class 3 multi-ball adjustable hitch. As you can see, we've got our 1 7/8" that's good for towing 2,000 pounds, our 2-inch that's good for up to 6,000 pounds, and the 2 5/16" that's good for up to 10,000 pounds. The balls themselves are chrome plated, the pins are zinc plated, and the remainder of the hardware has a durable black powder coat. So the 3-piece design allows you for full adjustment no matter what size lift you have on your truck or the height of your trailer. It's more than likely going to accommodate it. Another nice feature is this anti-rattle bolt. So once this is pinned in, you can crank down on the bolt to get some tension and keep the hitch from rattling against itself. These are going to be used to secure the hitch itself to the truck and the ball to the hitch, while the beefier are going to be used for the adjustment portion. So now, no matter the tongue height or size of your trailer, with the Rough Country 2-inch Class 3 multi-ball adjustable hitch, you'll have one unit to cover them all.